Today I will be doing a fun magic trick. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, enjoy. So here you would do a little shuffle so the viewers know you are not doing anything like, I don't know, suspicious is what they say. Okay, so here you would, do you guys have your card? I hope so. Just gonna tuck that back in. Okay, so now you go. Oh. Was it the Nine of Hearts? If it was, please like and subscribe.